Good day to drive, especially in this 2026 Ford Maverick XLT with velocity blue exterior, navy pure interior, sitting 4.5 with 4 doors. It has a 2.5-liter hybrid engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Desirable features include 4K tow package, selectable drive modes, intelligent access, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle would like to book it for a test drive, join our website islandford.ca. Now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 2.5-liter hybrid engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors. Your driver's seat is manual with manual lumbar. All wooden mats on the floor with the Maverick badging. Your integrated trailer brake controller, gas cap release and light controls. Sliding into the vehicle to start it, keys in the pocket, push the brake and press the start button. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, your selectable drive modes. To switch modes depending on the road and weather conditions, from normal to slippery to sport, etc. And your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touchscreen with your 4-pass connect system with AM/FM satellite radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and other functions. And we can take a look at your backup camera. Now we gotta put it back in parking. Your climate control system with air conditioning, defrost, and other functions. Your air vents, volume controls, hazard light defrost, and auto hold to hold you if you're towing, for example. More room for storage below with a 12-volt outlet, USB and USB-C charging ports. Your gear shift dial and 2 cup holders. Your electronic parking brake and traction control. A console with storage below. Your glove compartment. Sun visor, sunglass holder, and light controls. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, black door handles with intelligent access, privacy glass at the back windows, sun visors, capless easy fuel filler on the driver's side. In the rear, you've got a high mount light, and your backup camera would be below the Ford badging. Your box is 4 feet long, 4K tow package, pin connectors. To open your tailgate, just grab the handle and pull it down. Here you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. You've got a cargo mat, easy for cleaning, tie downs in all 4 corners. And when you're done, just lift your door up and close it, and you're good to go on your latest adventure. Storage and power windows in the door for added convenience. The seating is for 3, and you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats up. As you have a bench seat, you gotta pull the tab and fold your seat up. And when you're done, pull the tab again and we'll fold the seat down for you. Anchors to tether baby seat, all with the mats on the floor with your extra carpeted mats. A slim pocket behind the front passenger seat. USB-C charging ports, 2 cup holders, hooks and handle, and your dome light. Backup camera in the rear, 4 feet long box, mud flaps, privacy glass at the back windows, sun visors, adjustable side view mirrors with integrated blind spot monitoring, LED headlights, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at islandford.ca. We have plenty to show you and we'd love to hear your comments.